If you're a student working on your thesis or an academic paper, you may well understand the tedious nature of the formal academic research process. Fortunately enough, Google has managed to make things quite a bit easier with Scholar. Here's what you can do. To start, head to scholar.google.com, search for any topic you want to see academic papers on, or any academic figure who may have written papers you're interested in. Scholar will show you relevant articles by default, but you can also search for the profiles of academics who have registered with the service by clicking on the triple-lined icon in the top left and selecting Profiles. A registered academic's profile will show their name, title, and affiliated institution, as well as a detailed list of articles attributed to them. You can also opt to follow them to set an email alert should they release a new article, be cited in another person's article, or should new articles related to their work come out. When searching for articles, you'll first see a link to the article online. If Google Scholar can find a PDF copy of the article, you'll see a link to it on the far right. You can save the article for later by clicking on the star icon at the bottom of the result. If you need to cite the article, click on the quotation mark icon to bring up a citation you can copy and paste in MLA, APA, Chicago, Harvard, and Vancouver formats. You can also export the citation to any of the 4 bibliography managers linked at the bottom of the window. To see articles that have cited your selected article, click on Cited By. Scholar will then load a list of all of the articles it can find that have cited your chosen article as a source. Google Scholar can also find you related articles in a similar manner. Just click on Related Articles next to it. Should your article appear on multiple publications or sites, Scholar will show you how many different versions it can detect. Clicking on it will display them all. Aside from the search function, clicking on the triple-lined icon in the top left will show you a few other features. If you need to narrow down article results with more exact search criteria, you can use advanced search while articles is selected. Alerts will let you search up email alerts for new results that match a query you can set. Metrics show you the top cited publications over the last 5 years, and summary statistics for funding agencies. Clicking on My Library will show you all of the articles you've saved for later. If you're a published academic, you can also sign up for a Google Scholar profile by clicking on My Profile and signing up. If you ever need to change your default language, link your library subscriptions, or manage additional citation import settings, you can do so from Settings. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Google Scholar and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.